So as you can see, I took all the inner parts of the gumball machine out and I put them aside. This is them. And I wanted them to be able to go back in if I chose to use it again like a gumball machine, but I'm probably not going to. It's just going to be a decorative piece now. Excuse me. I put the tiny little scarecrow in already. I just used a couple of dots of glue, of hot glue, to just fasten him in there. I want to be able to take him out after the fall season and like decorate this with Christmas or Easter or whatever else. So this is what I have so far, and I'm just going to fill in the space with pumpkins and sunflowers, and we're going to put a ribbon around the top with the cap on. I might have to put a couple dots of glue to keep the cap on, and that's okay. I'll be able to take it off. I just don't want anything to be permanent, so that's what hot glue is good for, is it can keep things stable, but it doesn't have to be permanent. So here we go. Thank you for watching this video. Press like if you really enjoyed it, and join me for the next one.